Today we're going to talk about lids. Lids are critical to the effectiveness of a test socket since they provide the contact force required to test your device under test. But did you know that multiple lid styles can be used with the same test socket body to meet a variety of test applications? A single test socket body can be used with an open top lid for failure analysis, a quick swapping clip-on lid for engineering and low volume production test, and even a fully customized lid with design features specific to your requirements. A simple change of lids can transform your test socket to fulfill any of your test needs. Lids can be customized to integrate thermocouples, heating or cooling blocks, relief cutouts for SMT components, even integrate a PCB with spring pin contacts to probe devices with test points on the top and bottom. RTI provides versatile lid designs to take your test sockets to the next level. Give us a call or send an email to learn more about RTI's lids and test sockets.